How to turn off auto downloads in your WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to turn off auto downloads in your WhatsApp app. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp, and here you have to tap on top right 3 dots. Here you have to click on top right 3 dots. After that, click on settings here. When you click on the settings here, you have to scroll down here. After that, you have to click on storage and data. After that, you have to click on when using mobile data. And here all the options have to be unselected. Below this you can see 2 options, when connected on Wi-Fi. When data roaming, here you have to unselected all options. In this way you can stop auto downloads in your WhatsApp. Your auto download has now stopped. If you liked this video, then subscribe this channel and like the video.